Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforex.com, making this a small video at the end of the week as a weekly recap. So let's get started here. The week started on the 18th. So this is on the 18th, May 18th. This is one of the first trade. GN was very good to me this week. A lot of trades for big trades. This is a big mover. Daily range right now on the GN is 298 pips. Means that this pair moves every single day around that much, to 300 pip. So it's a very good chance to, pick up 150, 200 pip trade out of this every day. So this is the first one on 18th May. Parnuzi sell, beautiful by the book entry, 150 pip here. And now I'll show you the weekly chart for the reason that I'm taking all these shorts on Parnuzi. Now on an 18 pound CAD, again solid small trade, but solid setup by the book. Here pound Aussie, all pound pairs. So 100 pip here, nice and clean, beautiful entry on a 20-minute chart. Again, this one Euro Aussie went down and then went up, and then it came down a lot more than that. But I closed here on the 18th. On the 19th, pound yen. This is because of the yen weakness. Yen started to get weaker, and then all yen pair start to go up. So beautiful by the book entry here, 130 pip on the 19th. I think that's anyway. Now this on the 19th, you see this pound Nuzi. So I had in between 19 and the 20th, I had a drama going on with pound Nuzi. This is the entry, and this was the target, right? But it didn't reach to the target. It came close, then it went up like this here, and it went up there. It was this, right? So it's coming down here, but then it make the turn because of the news or something, and it went up. And then I made an entry here based on the 40-minute chart. All right, and then this thing started. Target was still the same, or 0025. So it started to come down, came very close again, went up, and then made another by the book short setup. So I took that one as well, right? And this one and this, so both of them, and the target is hit for 0025. So from here to here was 100, and from here to here was 60 pip, second entry, right? But then I let this thing go down, and I will show you the reason and continue. Oh, here is the reason. So this was happening on the weekly chart. The TL was just got broken, and then we were strongly going down. This is the high of 0025. That was my initial target, but I strongly felt that it's gonna go down to 98.45. So I held it, and then it went down even more, right? And then at this point, I closed the top one, the first entry, which was 210 pip, and this was 150 at that moment. So I closed this one and I let go this one for this target. And what happened to that? It went down even more, and then I closed this one finally for 190 pips. So the first one was 210, and then the other one was 190. Imagine, right? This is why this pair is a monster. So if it moves really good, and that's the reason. And the currently where it is, let me show you where the currently is. It's here, right? So it is, this is how it is dropping. And I made the chart on the 9th May for this is like this. This was the chart. Where the chart go? What happened to the chart? Okay, some happened. But yeah, let me see if I can get the chart again. I think they're on the desktop here. New pair. It should not happen that way, but it did. All right, anyway. So this was the chart, right? So I made on the 9th. This is the chart that is going to drop here. And so far, it was, or currently, it is here. You see that? That's why I'm taking all these pound yen short. So anyway, so on the 20th, this pound Newsy closed on 190, and then pound Aussie again, the 20th closed on for 145. This is a short setup here, And I took this one, and then here, see, this is a very, same kind of setup on um, 20-minute chart for pound Aussie, but I was in here, so I didn't take this one, the second one, the buy the book entry. Aussie yen going to the upside. Yen pairs, remember, I just showed you pound yen went up, same as Aussie yen, it went up as well. And then Aussie, and then the market, the Thursday and Friday today, the market was really slow, so I had to take this one on the 7-minute chart because 20-minute was not doing much, and this is not a big one. This is small, like 45, 50 pip. And the last but not the least is the pound USD. Again, same, with probably like 55 pip. Market was just not moving, right? So at least something, right? So I ended up end of the week on this one, pound USD. For this much, but I had earlier, like you said, like you saw that the big one, right? 210 pip, 190 pip. So one of those 41, 45 for pound yen. So I had big trades early in the week. So no hard feeling. Very good week, and hope the volatility will come back next week. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get a hold of this system, then go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com, and subscribe. Today is Friday evening, and then you have Saturday and Sunday. You can set up, get the system, set up your charts. If there is anything, I can get on Skype and help you setting up the charts like these, and then start trading like this. Okay, one of these big trades you take, and then that's it. Look, it's a lot of people wish to make this much in a whole week, but these pairs, if you learn, which I'll teach you, pound Aussie, pound Newsy, pound CAD, Euro Aussie, pound yen, these pairs, if you learn how they move and then how you can take these entries, big trades. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.